Hey guys, I'm back here with 120 Polychromes color pencils from Faber Castell. As we often provide some techno information, but this time I just bought this Faber Castell 120 Polychromes color pencils to gift to one of my artist friend on his birthday. But by seeing this color pencil suitcase, I can't refuse to do a video of unboxing it. Also, I will show you all the 120 color pencils and how they are categorized. If you look at this suitcase locking feature, it is easy to open and close by turning this knob. Let me open this. Wow, the locking system seems different than with a rounded rotatory type. All the 120 color pencils were categorized into two rows from extremely fade resistant, reasonable light fastness, high light fastness to maximum light fastness. These are the provisions or the extra space for storing the peripherals and drawing accessories. I just want to tell you the product features. The lead thickness of this color pencil is 3.8 mm in thick. It produces high quality bright colors with acid-free pigments. An oil-based lead, water resistant and smudge proof. As per my study on Faber Castell color pencils, it's been 100 years ago Faber Castell has launched Polychromes artist color pencils. See, I'm not an artist to draw a picture and show you, but I just wanna use it once. Let me draw on this A4 paper. So, by applying high pressure during drawing, it gives an intense color. And if I hold the pencil flat and apply light pressure to create an even area of color. The individual strokes are not visible, but the structure of the paper can be seen. This is hatching some parallel lines, determining from thin to thickness of lines. So that's about Faber Castell 120 Polychromes color pencils with unboxing and some info provided. And the price of this color pencil box is Rs 24,000. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you have any query with regard to the video, kindly drop it in the comment section so that I can resolve your queries with the help of my artist friend. Before signing off, kindly give your thumbs up if you liked the video or thumbs down if you didn't. And kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.